it right there.
Look, Puppy's gonna be on video. Look. Clancy, go! Go, Clan, go! Clancy, first time on the treadmill. No, don't do that. Go, Clan, go! Go, Clan, go! See? Go, Clan, go! Well, you're good at this, Clancy.
Look.
How fast is it going? 2? That's pretty good. It's pretty short. Get it on it now. Ooh, 8 minutes. It's starting to pan. Go, Clan, go! Clancy, 35 calories. That must be 3,500 dog calories. Let's think. Look at him go. You're such a good boy. Yeah, he's starting to pan. Stay there. You're fine. I'm right here. Good boy. You heard, didn't you? Good boy, Clan. Did you have fun? Did you like that? Clancy, did you like it? Did you like it? You go poop now. Where's the toilet? Good job, Clan. Good job, Clan. Good boy. Come on. Come on, this west side. This toilet for someplace to go. Come on. Good job, Clancy. Come on. Yeah, I know. Daddy said we should go for 10 minutes, and at exactly 10 minutes, he got off the treadmill. Brooke goes, it's been 10 minutes, and jumps off like he knew. Come on, Clancy. Here, let's take the harness off. Come on. There you go. Okay, I will. Come on, you go potty. But you gotta go potty. Come on. Wait a minute, I just stress relieved. Now you're gonna send me from these idiots. Speaking of, where are the 2 idiots? Oh yeah, get some water. Good workout, Clan. You were out of shape. Poor Clancy. He was going at a pretty good pace though, you know? Oh, here comes the puppies. You want to put them on the treadmill, Clan?